1 cup of English.
Real English for real life.
Have you ever sat in a cafe, just enjoying your coffee, and then suddenly realized your food still hasn't arrived? I had one of those days today. My order was completely forgotten.
Oh, wow. That must have been annoying. Did you have to wait long? I always worry when the waiter doesn't come back quickly after taking my order.
Yeah, it felt like forever. I was looking at the menu for ages before I ordered, and then I waited at the table for almost half an hour. Today, we're sharing exactly what happened and how it all turned out okay in the end.
So let's talk about dealing with mistakes in restaurants, what to say when your order goes missing, and how the staff handled it. Plus, maybe we'll give a tip for travelers who visit busy cafes.
The funny thing is, I kept seeing the waiter walk by, but my food never showed up. After about 20 minutes, I thought maybe there was a mistake with my order.
I've had something like that happen too. Sometimes I get nervous and wonder if I should say something or just wait patiently. What did you do?
At first, I tried to be patient, but when I saw other tables getting their food, I finally said, "Excuse me, I think there was a mistake with my order."
That's a good way to handle it. Did the waiter check on your order right away, or did you have to ask again?
When the waiter came over, I said, "Could you check on my order, please? I've been waiting for a while." He looked a bit surprised and went straight to the kitchen.
I like how you stayed calm. Sometimes, if the cafe is busy, mistakes happen. Did the staff say anything after checking?
A few minutes later, the waiter returned and said, "I'm sorry for the wait." He explained that my order wasn't sent to the kitchen, so there was a mix-up.
That actually reminds me of last week, when my bill was wrong at a restaurant. It's easy for things to get lost on a busy day.
Right after the waiter apologized, he promised to make my food quickly. And he even brought me a free drink while I waited. So nice.
That's really great service. Giving you something extra shows they cared about fixing the mistake. Did the manager come over as well?
Yes, the manager stopped by to say, "Thank you for your patience." She asked if everything else was good at the table. It made me feel like they really wanted to help.
I wish more places did that. It makes traveling and eating out feel special, even if there's a problem.
When my food finally arrived, it was delicious. The staff kept checking to make sure I was happy. And when I asked for the bill, they gave me a small discount for the trouble.
That's a nice way to end the meal. Sometimes, a simple apology and a little extra effort can turn a frustrating situation into a good memory.
Definitely. I left a good tip because everyone tried so hard to make things right. It made me want to come back the next time I'm in town.
I think that's the best you can hope for. Bad starts can have happy endings if people care.
So, 3 things to remember. First, mistakes happen, be patient and speak up politely. Second, staff usually want to help if you let them know. Third, a positive attitude makes travel smoother.
And here's something for everyone. Next time you're at a cafe or restaurant, don't be shy. Use simple phrases like, "Could you check on my order, please?" It can help turn a long wait into a good story.
Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoy your next meal out. And don't forget to tip your waiter or waitress.
See you next time for more travel stories and useful tips. Bye for now.